If you're creating podcasts, webinars, live streams, or long form YouTube videos, you already know one of the most time consuming parts of the process happens after the recording is finished. You still need transcripts, captions, subtitles, and short clips for social media. Traditionally, that means exporting your video, uploading it to another platform, generating captions, fixing mistakes, styling everything, and then exporting it again. It can take almost as long as creating the content itself. That's why I started using Riverside. Instead of using multiple tools, Riverside automatically generates transcripts and captions directly from your recording. As soon as your podcast, webinar, or live stream is uploaded, Riverside can create AI generated captions and subtitles in seconds. The captions are synced to your video automatically, so you're not spending time manually matching text to audio. What I really like is that Riverside gives you multiple caption styles to choose from. So whether you want something clean and professional for a webinar, something more engaging for YouTube, or the bold social media style captions people use on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok, you can customize the look without needing another editing platform. And if you want to make changes, Riverside's co-created chat lets you edit using simple prompts. You can ask it to change caption styles, adjust timing, update formatting, or even translate captions into another language without digging through complicated menus. Once your captions are ready, Riverside takes things a step further with magic clips. It automatically identifies highlight moments from your longer recording and turns them into short form content. The best part is that the captions come with the clips, making it incredibly easy to create content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to record a podcast directly onto Riverside. All right, let's do this. The first thing you're going to do is record, okay? Press the record button. Look, see, that's me recording. All right. Now, came out really nice. So now the next thing we're going to do is generate captions. All right. That's very important because you need to be able to see what I'm saying, right? So they have so many different captions available. Okay. So now we're going to generate some captions. They have different ones, different colors, different backgrounds. And it depends on the situation. If you're doing a webinar, you might want one style of captions. You're doing something for YouTube Shorts, you might want a different caption. It all depends where you're going to put your video on, where you're going to put your podcast on. That's how you should base your captions. All right, the captions came out great. Now we're picking. All right, so now I'm going to co-creator. And once I go to co-creator, I'm going to ask for a couple of things. Can you make the caption bigger? Okay, I want some nice, large, visible captions. Let's see. Done. I made the captions noticeably larger while keeping the current style intact. Can you change the caption color too? Let's see. All right, we went from white in that pinkish color. Yes, absolutely. What color would you like the captions? You name a color or share hex value. You can even share hex color, okay? I said a nice green. Boom, look how fast it turned green. That is fabulous. So now all the words have color to it, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it, okay? Now, we're going to go to Magic Clip. Number 4, it gives your brand more authority and makes you easier to remember, okay? All right, Magic Clip did its thing. Now we're going to Magic Audio. Let's check it out, see how it sounds with Magic Audio. Podcast people are going to remember you for because they're listening to you on their way home from work. Or definitely enhance the sound. Okay, now we're going to Smart Mute. They might be listening to you while they're cooking. They might be listening to you. Okay, so Smart Mute actually cut down, eliminated background noise and crosstalk from other mics. Okay, you might need that if you're interviewing people. Number 4, it gives your brand more authority and makes you easier to remember. Oh, that's really, really good. Now, eye contact, which is very important. 4, it gives your brand more authority and makes you easier to remember. Okay, now a podcast people are going to remember you for because they're listening to you on their way home from work. They might be listening to you while they're cooking. See how it kept my eyes right, great eye contact. Now I'm exporting, and it said which one do you want to. I want to export a video 4K. So now we export, and that's the quality of the video 4K. Now let's check it out, okay? With the nice sound. Number 4, it gives your brand more authority and makes you easier to remember. Okay, now a podcast people are going to remember you for because they're listening to you on their way home from work. They might be listening to you while they're cooking. They might be listening to you when they get off from work. They want to unwind and lay back and just listen to you because they identify what you're talking about. So that's a great way to have people remember you. Okay. And number 5, one episode can become clips for you. That was very nice. You see, it gave me nice large captions. It cleaned the audio, gave me great quality. It muted any other mics that could have been in the background. It cut out any fluff that it found. And it gave me a nice smart layout if I wanted to switch out camera angles. And it made sure I had wonderful eye contact. If you've been looking for an AI caption generator for video that can automatically create captions, help you edit them with AI, and even generate short form content from your long videos, check out Riverside using my link down below. Use my code Inside Your Hustle for 1 month of Riverside Pro for free. I'll have the link in the description down below so you can try it out for yourself and see how much time it can save you in your content creation workflow. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll record your next podcast with Riverside. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.